Hey there, garden enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we dig deep into the world of gardening. Today, I'm diving into a crucial topic: when to plant beets for the best harvest. Beets are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients, making them a fantastic addition to any garden. Timing really is everything when it comes to these delicious root veggies. Planting at the right time ensures that your beets grow to their full potential, giving you a bountiful harvest. So let's get right into it. Understanding the best time to plant beets can make all the difference. First things first, beets are a cool season crop. This means they thrive in cooler temperatures and can be one of the first vegetables you plant in your garden each year. Beets grow best in temperatures between 50 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. These conditions help the plants develop strong roots and vibrant colors. If you plant them too early or too late, you might not get the best results. Early planting can expose them to frost, while late planting can subject them to excessive heat. So how do you figure out the perfect timing? It's all about understanding your local climate and frost dates. Well, start by checking your local frost dates. Knowing the average last frost date in spring and the first frost date in fall is crucial. You want to plant beets about 2-4 weeks before your last expected spring frost. This timing allows the seeds to germinate in cool soil and grow steadily as the weather warms. This gives them a head start while the soil is still cool. Early planting can lead to a more robust and healthy crop. For a fall harvest, plant beets about 6-8 weeks before the first expected fall frost. This ensures they have enough time to mature before the cold sets in. This timing is perfect for a second round of beets, giving you fresh produce well into the cooler months. Now, soil temperature is key. Beets are sensitive to the temperature of the soil they are planted in. Beets germinate best in soil temperatures between 50 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. This range provides the optimal conditions for seed sprouting and root development. Use a soil thermometer to check the temperature. It's a simple tool that can make a big difference in your gardening success. If it's too cold, the seeds might not sprout, and if it's too hot, the roots could become tough and woody. Both extremes can negatively impact your harvest. Here's a pro tip: succession planting. This technique can help you maximize your beet harvest. Instead of planting all your beets at once, plant a new batch every 2-3 weeks. This staggered planting ensures a continuous supply of fresh beets. This way, you'll have a continuous harvest throughout the season. It's like having a beet buffet all summer long. Don't forget about spacing. Proper spacing is crucial for healthy beet growth. Plant your beet seeds about 1 inch apart and thin them out to 3-4 inches apart once they start to grow. This gives each beet enough room to develop into a nice round shape. This spacing helps prevent overcrowding and ensures that each beet has enough nutrients and space to grow properly. Watering is essential too. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Beets need about 1 inch of water per week to thrive. Consistent watering helps the roots develop properly and prevents the beets from becoming woody. Mulching can help retain moisture and keep the soil cool. It also helps suppress weeds, which can compete with your beets for nutrients. So, to wrap it up, remember, plant beets in cool temperatures, check your frost dates, keep an eye on soil temperature, try succession planting, space them properly, and water consistently. These steps will help you achieve a successful and bountiful beet harvest. Follow these tips, and you'll be on your way to a bountiful beet harvest. Thanks for watching. We hope you found these tips helpful, and that your garden flourishes with beautiful beets. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. Happy gardening! We can't wait to see your beet harvests. Until next time, keep growing and keep smiling.